Hi there, evening all. Right, I've taken everyone's advice and I thought, no, not going to give up. So as you can see, it's all in bits again. I hadn't got any. I was going to try what Mike said, Racing Demon, about 100 volt 470 cap. I hadn't got any of those, but what I did have was a old Hacker Democrat, I think, and that had AF117s in. So I did a bit of tapping around, as Mike said, and one of them was dodgy. So I whipped the 117 out of the Hacker. This was the one that was in the this set here, which don't know whether you can see, that's a bit battered because I was just giving it a good old smacking. Kept bursting into life and going off. So took that one out, put the new one in, and
it gets interesting. Luton 3, Blackburn 2. And if Wigan do get deducted those points, Charlton at the moment would be staying in the Championship. Not that they're doing themselves any
back in business.
13 and a half minutes remaining here on Talk Sport. It's West Bromwich Albion 2. Over and just holds his feet and clever.
Even shortwave works. Go.
in Saint-Jean-de-Luz, which is literally on the French side of the border. So he identified strongly with that, and that's why
it's Radio 4.
So many Spanish.
So we're back working again. So thanks for all the comments. I really didn't think that the 117s would just like die like that, but or go funny like that, but obviously they do. So it's all in bits. You see what it looks like. So I'm pleased with that now. I'm just fixing the handle. It's a bit funny, the handle. That side's all right. I was quite happy about that. The other side's not. There's kind of like a split down here behind that little tab. Now, I don't know what's happened, unless that's occurred when it just got battered in the parcel or not. I don't know, but when you kind of like hold it up like that with the handle, this side's all right. The other side flips right up. It's like that, which is bizarre. So you can't really tell, but I'm just gluing it in there. So we're all done, all back working. Glad I listened to your comments. Thanks, Racing Demon. I'll put a link to your channel in the comments, and Sean and Simon's as well. I am sub to them, but might as well spot of advertising for you. So yeah, thanks everybody, back working.